Online education. This is the most trending thing which is going on right now. We have seen it in the form of memes, in the form of trolls, in newspapers, even on TV, but government has taken no decision towards this one factor. So today, using YouTube as a channel, we Prism YouTube channel would like to keep in front of you problems students face when they're attending online classes or online examination. And the second thing is, we would also want to say how online education can be used for the betterment of so many other people. If you want to know all this, please watch our video till the last. Coming the first point, that is the problems. What problems do students face? In our Karnataka, in our Bangalore itself, there are so many places with poor lack of connectivity. And you expect people to join despite of poor lack of connectivity. Online education means the person is taking through a phone and it requires proper network. How do you expect students to attend without proper lack of connectivity? The second thing is, India is known for traditional education. Back in our history, we had Gurukulams, which made sure that people learned amidst nature. Now, people are expecting us to see mobile phones and learn from it. Most of the subjects in higher education has some or the other part of numerical, some part of the syllabus is numerical based. And there is a saying in mathematics that maths cannot be learned but it must be worked out. And how do you expect students to understand numerical subjects? Basically, what I think and what other students think and what we think is, you government, whether it may be government or schools or colleges, they all want students to become ekalavyas. You know, there's a character in Mahabharata where a character who learnt all by himself. Fortunately, there may be students like that, but we cannot be ekalavyas, sir. I want to say today, most of the students cannot be ekalavyas. Sir, I also want to emphasize on this, that this is a very good, it's a golden opportunity for us students, for the government and for the college to sort this problem in a win-win situation. Because if any other situation occurs like this and any other lockdown, maybe financial emergency, state emergency, we would have set an example by sorting out this problem now for the future generation. It's a golden opportunity for us. Our DCM, that is the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, had said that before 30th May, all the syllabus of the higher education, online or offline, should be complete.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನ ಮೇ 30 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
A few moments later.
You'll be shocked to know not even 50% of the syllabus is completed in many colleges. We, YouTube channel, conducted a survey in Google survey. We asked students to tick how much is the number of percentages completed portions in terms of portions, and you'll be shocked to know that more than 1,000 members participated in this, and most of them have said that less than 50% of the syllabus is completed. If you want, you can also take the survey. It is in the link. The link is given in the description. Kindly please go check it out. On 28 May 2020, that is last month, our Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal said that he had also announced in NDTV saying he had a meeting with over 4,000 officials, higher education officials, and he came to the conclusion that 50% of our previous sem marks and 50% of our internal assessment, they need to merge and give a final percentage, and first and second year and third year students must be passed, must be promoted.
और दूसरे तीसरे का होगा अंतिम वर्ष की तो हम परीक्षा कराएंगे, लेकिन दूसरे और तीसरे का जो पहले वर्ष में उसका जो कुल उसका परीक्षा परिणाम है उसका मूल्यांकन 50% और जो इस वर्तमान वर्ष का है उसके आंतरिक मूल्यांकन 50%। इन दोनों का जो औसत निकलेगा उसका रिजल्ट हम लोग घोषित करेंगे। तो उच्च शिक्षा में भी वो भी ये तय किया।
But no such thing is happening in our Karnataka also. Goa state government has decided to promote all students. Andhra Pradesh government has decided to promote all students. Maharashtra government has decided, but Karnataka government has still not decided anything. One more shocking fact, sir. One more shocking fact. Government has announced 3 months they need not to pay any bills, may it be EMI, electricity bills or loans. But college expects us to pay revaluation fees, to pay summer term fees or makeup fees. Sir, if you are given, how can this be possible, sir? How can college expect students to pay fees during this time? So the one more thing which I would like to say is coming to the point which I said at the earlier. How can online education be beneficial? Sir, there is something called Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan in our government, which states that from the age of 6 to till the age of 16, people should be provided with free education. This online education is the best platform at that particular time, sir. These students, I would like to say with YouTube as a media, I would like to give an idea for the government, stating that why not you people, government and research institute people, make an app where a teacher teaches once and it is being circulated to so many other students in the form of links, and so many other people can benefit. And we must also make sure that this app is open source app, so that if any person finds a bug, we can find it. Recently, Arogya Setu app also had launched the same scheme where they made it open source, and if any person finds a bug, he in a bug in that code, he will be given 4 lakh rupees. Why don't we make one such app where one teacher teaches one particular topic in one particular school, and that video is recorded and being sent to so many in their schools where teachers are not able to attend due to so many other problems. This is how we can make our online education as the best platform, not on higher education institutes, because our entire career depends on our education. We expect to get good jobs after completing engineering, whether engineering or MBBS or any other BSc, MSc. But because of this online education, if you are not able to gain the proper knowledge, how
what we do here is go back.
will we ever get jobs, sir? That is why when last week Kirit Kirti had made a video stating that ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು career-ಗೆ ಒಂದು package ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಂತ. So from our side, all that we want is, we YouTube channel or we students want is, please promote us, sir. For those people who connect with us, please leave your reviews in the comment box. Definitely we'll go through them. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our present YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications.